Hello friends, in this video we discuss division of whole number by decimal numbers. Let us consider a problem 150 divided by 0.02. We simply can't do the division straight away since there is a decimal number in the denominator. So, what is the first step? The first step is to convert the decimal number into a whole number. How do we do it? We count the decimal places first, starting with the extreme right number 2. So, 2 one place and 0 is the second place. So, in order to convert the decimal number into a whole number, we will have to multiply with, in this case, 100. Both numerator and denominator with 100. If we multiply only denominator with 100 and we don't multiply numerator with that with 100, then the given fraction will change completely, which is totally wrong. So, in order to see that the fraction doesn't change, we need to multiply both and numerator with the same number. So, here in this case we are done by multiplying with 100, numerator and denominator. So, 150 times, now we have to multiply numerator and numerator and denominator and denominator. 150 times 100 is 15,000 divided by 0.02 into 100. So, what is 0.02 into 100? Let us consider decimal number as a whole number first for the purpose of multiplication. 2 times 100 is 200. But that is not the final answer. What exactly is the final answer? We will have to count the decimal places from extreme right digit 2. So, 2 one place and 0 one place. After 2 places there is a decimal point. So, here also in 200 we have to keep the decimal after 2 places, counting starting from extreme right 0. So, extreme right 0 is one place and the next 0 on its left side is another place. So, decimal point comes here. So, 0.02 into 100 is 2. So, therefore, 15,000 divided by 2 is 2 7 times 14, 1 left, 1 and 0 10, 2 5 times 10 0 0. Final answer is 7,500. Let us do one more problem. 450 divided by 0.003. 450 divided by 0.003. In this case, we find 3 places counting from extreme right digit 3 in the denominator. So, we need to multiply both numerator and denominator with 1000 in order that the given fraction doesn't change. So, multiply numerator and numerator, we get 450,000 divided by 0.003 into 1000. So, let us take the denominator multiplication first. What is 0.003 into 1000? So, let us consider 0.003 as 3 and then multiply. 3 into 1000 is 3000. But this is not the final answer. What exactly is the final answer? So, count the decimal places from the far right 3. So 3 one place, next to it on the left side is 0, that is second place. Another 0 is there on the left side, that is the third place. So in 3000 you count 3 places from extreme right 0, 1, 2, 3. So the point comes here. So 0.003 times 1000 is only 3. Therefore 450,000 divided by 3. So 3 goes 1 time, 3, then 1 left, 15, 3 5 times 150 and 3 zeros. So final answer is 150,000.